You try to use Copilot in Power BI, but the button was grayed out or missing completely. You click it anyway, and nothing. I'm going to show you why this happens and what you actually do about it. Plus, I will bust the myth that Copilot is too expensive even for a test. Let's fix it. There are two places where you might try to access Copilot, and both can fail in frustrating ways. The first is inside a report. You open a Power BI report, you look for Copilot and on the right side of the screen, and nothing. The button is grayed out, or it might not be there at all. You click it anyway, nothing happens. The second scenario is from the Power BI homepage. Maybe you've discovered the Copilot icon on the Power BI homepage. It's usually the second option in the menu. This Copilot lets you ask a question across all your reports, not just one. So you click it, hoping for better luck. Instead, you see this error. Copilot isn't available in your workspace. Or this error occurs when selecting Copilot, but you are not assigned to any workspace, and the choice list is empty. So you still hit the wall. Now you are stuck wondering, what even is a workspace? Do I need to install something? Am I missing a license? Before I explain why Copilot isn't working, you need to understand one concept: workspaces. Don't worry, this is as simple that it sounds. A workspace is like a folder where reports are stored. You don't see it when you use Power BI. You click on a link and the reports open. But behind the scenes, every report lives in a workspace. Your IT team and report creator work with the workspaces. You just see the report inside them. Okay, why does this matter for Copilot? Because Copilot needs computing power to answer your questions. That computing power costs money. And it's assigned to a workspace, not to individual users. So even if your company has Copilot enabled somewhere, it only works for report that lives in a workspace with the right setup. So it's about where reports lives and what workspaces you have access to, not about your account or license. What needs to happen for Copilot to work? Now that you understand the workspace, here's what required for Copilot to work. Two things need to be true. First, your IT team has enabled Copilot for your organization, and the second, the reports you use lives in the workspace with a Copilot capacity, or you are assigned to such a workspace from homepage Copilot, as I saw you in the second scenario. What is the most frustrating part? That you can fix it by yourself. The good news? Now you know exactly what to ask for. Whether you are raising a ticket or sending a Teams message or asking in person, here is the question that will actually get your answer. First is Copilot enabled for your organization? The second, are there any Copilot enabled workspaces that I can be assigned to? And the last, can the reports I use regularly be moved to a Copilot enabled workspace? This helps IT understand your situation faster. Many people assume Copilot costs thousands of dollars per month. That used to be true, but Microsoft has lowered the entry barrier. Today, the minimum capacity need for Copilot starts around $260 per month for an entire organization. That is for the whole team, not per person. For a pilot program or testing with a small group, this is much more accessible than most people think.